This video is only for educational purposes. In this video, I'll show you how certain types of malicious code works. Let's break it down. First, import OS, import Shuttle, and import SMTP library. These are three libraries we use to interact with the operating system, managing files, and send emails. The code gets the user profile path using os.environment.get user profile. This code reveals personal information about the user system. It then sends this information via an email using SMTP library to connect to the fake SMTP server and send the stolen data to the malicious email address. Number 2, creating malicious files. The code creates a malware.batch file on the computer, which when run, forces the system to shut down immediately using the shutdown command. Number 3, deleting files. The delete files function goes through a specific directory, this directory here, and whatever directory that you want, and deletes all the files and subfolders within it using os.unlink and Shuttle rm3. And for the conclusion, this video is only made for educational purposes, and this code is a malicious example designed to steal information, shut down system, and delete important files. Remember, never run unknown code and always ensure your system is protected. Thank you for watching.